Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making these delicious homemade chicken nuggets, crispy and golden on the outside and juicy inside. And family, keep watching because my camera decided to betray me right in the middle of the recipe. But trust the process because the final result was definitely worth it. And here's today's quiz. What do you think makes these nuggets extra crispy? Flour, eggs, or panko breadcrumbs? Leave your answer in the comments before we get to the end. Let's get started, family. First, cut the chicken breast into small cubes. Peel one large potato and cut it into cubes. Then peel and chop one medium onion.
My boots know the dirt, my hands know the field. Bent backs at sunrise, still trying to heal. And the river keeps moving like it don't care at all. But we keep on walking every time we fall down by the railway line. We carry what we can. We keep our heads up high, keep them high, working the field again.
Blend everything together until it becomes a thick chicken paste.
We sing to stay alive. Poor people's camps behind, field by field, still working the field again. Mama saved the bread crust in a cracked enamel pan. Daddy had a hard day, still stood like a man. Kids chased the gravel by the rail yard fence, laughing through the sorrow, making sense of sense.
And right here, family, my camera had other plans.
But the moon still shows a little bit of mercy, where the tired heart goes down by the railway line. We carry what we
Once your mixture is ready, lightly grease your hands with a little vegetable oil. This makes the mixture much easier to handle without sticking to your hands. Take a portion and shape it into a nugget. You can make them round, oval, or whatever shape you prefer.
still working the field. One day the fence breaks open, one day the rain turns.
Now lightly coat each nugget in all-purpose flour, followed by panko breadcrumbs. If you don't have panko, regular breadcrumbs will work too. But panko gives them that beautiful extra crispy outside.
We carry what we can. We keep our
Continue shaping and coating until all your chicken mixture is finished.
work in the field again. Down by the railway line, we sing to stay.
Remember our quiz from the beginning? The ingredient that helps give us that extra crispy coating is panko breadcrumbs.
Behind, field by field, still working the field again.
Now it's time to fry. Heat your vegetable oil to approximately 170 to 175 degrees Celsius. or 340 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We don't want the oil extremely hot because these nuggets are quite thick and need enough time to cook completely inside. Fry for around 3 to 4 minutes on the first side, then gently turn them over and fry for another 3 to 4 minutes.
In the cold ground. My boots know the dirt.
For food safety, chicken should be completely cooked through and reach at least 74 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the center.
And the river keeps moving like it don't care at all, but we keep on walking every time we fall down by the railway line. We carry what we can. We keep our heads up high, keep them high, work in the field again. Down by the railway line, we sing to stay alive. Poor people's camps behind, field by field, still working the field.
And there we have it, family, our homemade crispy chicken nuggets. Serve them hot with ketchup, mayonnaise, or your favorite dipping sauce.
Daddy had a hard day, still stood like.
If you enjoyed today's recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your family and friends.
By the rail yard fence, laughing through the sorrow.
And tell me below, team ketchup or team mayo?
And the night comes early, but the moon still shows a little bit of mercy.
Just look at that crispy coating. Serve them while they're warm with ketchup, mayonnaise, or your favorite dipping sauce.
We carry what we can. We keep our heads up high, keep them high, work in the field again. Down by the rail.
Thank you so much for watching, family. Enjoy your crispy chicken nuggets, and I'll see you in my next video.